Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will show you how to turn off your activity in Chrome on your PC. By doing this, you can have more control over your browsing history and ensure your privacy. So let's get started. Step 1. First, open Chrome on your PC. Step 2. Once Chrome is open, look for the 3 vertical dots located at the top right corner of the browser. Click on it to open the menu. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, select Settings near the bottom of the list. This will open the Chrome settings page. Step 4. On the settings page, find and click on Sync and Google Services. It should be listed under the You and Google section. Step 5. Within the Sync and Google Services section, you will see various options. Look for Control how your browsing history is used and click on it. Step 6. Finally, on the Activity Controls page, locate the Web and App Activity option and toggle it off. This will turn off the collection and storage of your browsing activity. And there you have it. You have successfully turned off your activity in Chrome on your PC. Now your browsing history won't be saved by Google. Remember, you can always enable it again if you wish. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.